Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Junrei Hawaii, and this juncture, I would like to present to you my critical analysis entitled Lost Vanity, a critical analysis of the black sheep by Italo Calvino through Marxist approach. This presented by Junrei Hawaii from Balti Escor Manawari to the course from the course Elective Script. So the summary of the story is Black Sheep is a fable about Enhanes, man who was dubbed as a black sheep for not stealing when everyone else in his country just does, and how this contrasting quality of his had brought changes in society's behavior. This black sheep is um, dubbed, dubbed, dubbed into honest man. Something is contrasting the quality of an honest man, and it seems to a stable type of story. And this contrasting quality of it had brought changes to society behavior. Since this blockchain of the lessons to those people and the generation that we need to be careful for those people who have stealing our belongings and property. And something those honesties um, being audacious steps that without something a justice for that kind of honesty. The message of the story is that political system benefits only those who are willing to take advantage of others, and staffed by how they were still taking advantage of each other even they even after they stopped stealing, and also by the unfortunate death of Alice Lang. So this would be the message of the story, the black sheep. It is about the political system, where the rich and the poor are being subordinate together, have collaboration, stealing the house where they belong to property of the tenant. And this Janet man or the black sheep where they saw this um, seed, but they even have a justice for him. This is the theme. The first one is contradicting cycle one. No people turn good decision even if it's wrong or bad. They support a bad habit. So it is about um, what societal norms nowadays that exist, especially those who are in upper society, and sometimes those in lower. There are sometimes that they are in collaboration, something has a partner that speaks towards the bad habit. And those secrets they hide they hide from their own. They will not be reveal it to the society, especially to those who are seeing them. Especially those kind of people and those people that saw them um, visually that we are feeling some belonging or property addiction of a person of a person in a certain place where they are using or kana nagabuhat og pangkawak magkawak. Change challenge tradition, make tradition challenge or dynamic to this system based. So this would be the explanations where the challenging traditions are making changes. That's why this some generations are telling lies, even if is even if is even if is bad for him or her. That need to be we need to be we need to be honest to the certain thing or um certain things to have a purpose so that it can easily give resolutions on that kind of problem. Being rejected often it helps us help us feel empathy and compassion for those other and outcasts out there. And this would be something that the black sheep or the dubbed as a honest man being outcast of the society, or since they are some people are not kanang wala siguro nagtutuo siya ha, since those people na naging tabang ginaano sa mga things o murag kuan ginaabusar man gud siya and gina-reject it completely because of the rich people. Allegory, allegory of this short story is or symbolism device where the meaning get greater, often abstract concept is conveyed with the aid of more corporeal object and exegesis. For example, the story Black Sheep being the old man out of his duty to steal other people's homes regardless of what the societal norms dictate is something that the meaning of the Black Sheep here is being old is something unusual thing. And the black sheep is only symbolism of the something that's different from what white sheep, because the black sheep for us has a bad. But at the same time that the black sheep has are important for us because not all the black sheep, not all the black symbolism or black color is symbolism as a bad. But we are the one to be honest men being um being something dictate in societal norm. Something that the black sphere is the one will be honest. Yeah. So this will be the approach that I use, which is the Marxist approach. The mean, it means the length of class struggles, economic system, and social power dynamics according to Anderson's East 2011. The approach examines how literature reflects and reinforces the challenging socioeconomic conditions and power structures, with particular attention to issues in exploitation, alienation, and ideology, according to the same author. And the first analysis is this class penetration. The elite class have the power to become a richer because they can lead and manipulate the people to run them. The powerless or the poor become exclusions to the society, neglected become a workers, but the action can benefit to the powerful people. It means those who are the workers, kung isa itong mga nagtatrabaho, and then nag-take sila ang mga, di ba, mga kwarta, naman din yung mga taxes sa kailang barayan. And then, and those taxes, ang makabenefit ay is those powerful people, this and but somehow the poorer here in the story her had a good attachment to the subordinate, which is those dominant and the class in the story, which is the richer and the powerless people of the poor. Masculine attachment. The black sheep could not cope with Hanafi for being robbed by those kids, and his humanity became voiceless until he was stopped. And this is the sexual evidence that I provide in the story. Faceless tries to wrangle each other. That as tends to happen, the rich got richer and the rich and richer, and the poor got poorer and poorer. The second one is classification, and this could be the distinction of the two thieves in the story. The rich and the poor have some characteristics, but somehow the rich, if they stop stealing, they will become poor again since the poor stole from them. And that is the classification of the thieves behind of the story, showing the bad habits or bad actions that never get them go. A crime is is neutral, not natural, neutral rather. Rich or poor became criminal towards the natural habit. Kanang tao, Gusto nila magbuhat ng crime, magbuhat ng panununggalan sila, gusto nila. Mapadato man o pagkita. And this is the page and are the special evidence that I provide in the statement. Some of the rich people got so rich that they didn't need to steal or had others steal for them so as they stay rich. But they stopped stealing they would get poor because the poor chose them. The, um, the third one, I guess, is alienation. This alienation is type of being isolated, surrounded by the power of those characters that have been controlling the unspoken person, have never justified it on this own unit. This would be something the government has isolated by a group or something like that. So it can make it can make those those what you call this the innocent people from being control the bad money or reduce the bad habits of the person, especially those kids. Something i-hide nila ang justice para sa ilaha and with those who are able to have to spoke, wala sila pinapatay sa justice or wala sila pinapatay sa justice. What is the humanity scan? Wala na kay istorya namatay mo lang at ang black sheep or nakit ko din at sa ano investigation. People no longer spoke of robbing and being robbed, but not only the rich and the poor, but the rich will also. The second and the fourth last, I think last, the manipulation. Manipulation is to show how it is not only possible to be to be an honest man and strive, but impossible to be an honest man and strive. This would be the explanations that this special evidence that I provide. The only honest man had been the one at the beginning, but he died in a very short time after. Because if ever the honest man had possible to reveal who will be the seed or stealing is that is loving those kind of loving kind of doing. You have you have a possible to survive. And the honest man will be will be the one to live to get justified and to make the humanity to make the society to be have a solution. Something that dictates the constructing the quality of a society behavior because of this honest man. Because of the symbolism of black sheep. Something with black sheep for us is something bad. But the black sheep here in the story is really a good man. So thank you and God bless. And this is my references that I use to the analysis. Thank you and have a great day.